At approximately 7:17 in the morning, local time, on the 30th of June, 1908, something exploded above the Siberian wilderness near the Podkamenia Tunguska River, with a force that flattened an estimated 80 million trees across an area of more than 2,000 square kilometers. The explosion was witnessed, heard, and felt across an extraordinary geographic range. People in towns dozens of kilometers from the epicenter were knocked off their feet by the shockwave. Windows shattered as far as several hundred kilometers away. The seismic shock was recorded on instruments across Europe and Asia. In the days following the event, the night sky across much of Europe and western Siberia displayed unusual luminous phenomena, bright noctilucent clouds, and a persistent glow that allowed people in London, more than 5,000 kilometers from the explosion site, to read newspapers outdoors at midnight. No crater was found at the site of the explosion. This single fact has made Tunguska one of the most enduring puzzles in the study of cosmic impact events, distinguishing it from virtually every other large-scale impact event in the geological and historical record, where the impact crater itself provides the primary physical evidence for reconstructing what happened. The remoteness of the Tunguska region meant that no scientific expedition reached the site until 1927, nearly 2 decades after the event, when Soviet mineralogist Leonid Kulik organized and led the first systematic investigation. What Kulik found, when he finally reached the area, was a devastation pattern of striking and informative character. Trees across an enormous radius had been knocked down, their trunks oriented in a pattern radiating outward from a central point, consistent with the trees having been flattened by a blast wave moving outward from an explosion in the air